Today we're going to be installing a GrassFlap onto a Scag V-Ride 2. The first thing we're going to do is remove the bolts that are on the front of the Scag mower itself. Then we'll take the GrassFlap no-drill mount for the hand lever and bolt it back into those existing holes. Now we're going to go ahead and install the hand lever itself. So there'll be a 5/16 carriage bolts provided in the kit that we'll use to bolt this on. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and connect the cable onto the hand lever itself. We'll pull the rubber boot off, spin the first nut off, slip the wire into the slot provided, and then go ahead and run that jam nut back on there. Next step is going to be to connect the clevis to the end of the cable, and then connect that clevis to the hand lever itself. When you do this, try and put the slotted side of the clevis on the same side as the head of the pin. Then insert the cotter pin. Once you get the cotter pin in, you're going to want to split both legs and bend them back on themselves to form a W shape. Next thing we're going to do then is go ahead and position the jam nuts where they need to be. What you want to do is spin the second jam nut on as far onto the cable as you can, and then run the first jam nut all the way up where it's snug. You can change the position of these two jam nuts if you want to change the partial open position on the GrassFlap. Okay, so cable routing comes off the hand lever, runs down along the deck lift assist, then up along the frame, and comes out underneath over to the GrassFlap. Operationally, it's a pull and release. So you've got a full open, full close, and then you've got this partial open position.